Welcome to Melo's channel. Let's have fun, and today we are gonna be seeing my K-pop collection.
Today we have here my K-pop albums. It's just a little collection of mine, and throughout the years it did not really grow that much. And here we have a Big Bang album, and since I was cleaning out, every year I do clean my collection 2 to 3 times a year, and this time since I wanted to share and I wanted to have a video for a keepsake, like a keepsake for me. And this album, the artwork of the CD is really cool. And I do like that the protector for the booklet is color blue and it does have these droplet effects like rain. And it really is nice to look at. The one thing that I didn't like with this album is the metal part since it rusted after a year and now it looks like that. And remember this 21 album, like when you buy at Etude House before, you will get this for free, I think, if I remember correctly. And I do love the artwork of the CD. Like it's really pretty flowers with embossing. Like I really like what they did there. And Yuki's is one of my favorite boy group before, and I really like them. Although when the member changed a lot, like that that I didn't really like, but the songs itself they are all good. Like I just really love this album for their first album especially. And next we do have the Shiny Replay. Like Replay is one of my favorite song among Shiny. And actually among all the Shiny albums, this is the only Shiny album that I have. Let me flip through a bit. Like I'm a really big fan of Shiny. And here we have Girls' Generation. Like I like all songs of Girls' Generation. Like that's what I grew up with. And I do have a few more albums of Girls' Generation that I'm gonna show later. And for the CDs, I do put them on a sleeve for the CD just to protect them more. And next we do have the Wonder Girls. Like I hate it that like I love the songs, I like the album, but I don't like the design of the album since it's black and white. Like I get that's the concept, but for a very long time if you don't seal it or put it in a good storage, like it will turn yellowish over time. Like it does add rustic vibes to it. And here we have my favorite album of Lee Seung-gi, Tonight. Like I really wish he would release more songs, more albums. Like I like the all the dramas that I have watched all his, like I'm very fun. Even the variety shows I really love. But again, like this album is just really good that I played it a lot of times. And the next one is my CN Blue First Step album. This one is also really good. The all the songs are great on this album. In particular, also CN Blue is one of my favorite band. Like FT Island is also my top favorite bands in K-pop, but I didn't have a FT Island album. But the next one we do have the Miss A during this time, like that. 2010 to 2015, they had a lot of this advertisement inside their albums, and we got the Miss A touch. I'm a very big fan of Miss A that I wish they did not disband, but this album is one of my top favorite albums. Like I think I stopped collecting K-pop albums around 2013, 2014. But this one, like all these albums, like I have played them a lot. And but right now I don't have any CD player, so I can't really play them. So I did buy a sealed plastic to put them on just to preserve them better. And here we have the 2 a.m., a counterpart of 2 p.m. And this 2 a.m. album is really my favorite album. Like, if I want to hear a ballad song, like 2 a.m. would be my go to group for the longest time. And even now, I do like to hear the songs of 2 a.m. And here I have put it on a sleeve, the CD, just to protect it. The artwork of the CD is pretty simple as well. And you do get this advertisement, and here are some of the postcard that came with it. It did have these albums also before did not have photo cards. It did have more on the poster sides. Though I wish before they did had a lot of photo cards as well, since posters I cannot really put it on my walls. And the next one is a 21 album. It is their second mini album. It This one is really a fun album for me, since the artwork for the front cover you could interchange them. Like it has a lot of options, around 15 to 20, like 20 pieces. Like I'll show you later, but the artwork on the CD is so fun as well. And before, like, photo cards are not really a thing. Like some albums would have them and some albums don't. And for this one, it has one, like their animated version, and I did get Mincy. Like I'm unable to show that because that photo card is on my photo card album. And like this artwork is really cool, like very fascinating artwork. And this animated version of 21 is really cool as well. But like how I wish also that they would include a real person, like their own photos on this one before. And also for these K-pop albums before, like if you buy an album, like you would get a poster with it. Unfortunately, for those posters, not all of them in is in good condition already. And here we have Girls' Generation first mini album. And this is the first album that I got for the Girls' Generation one. And fun fact, like Boa was the one that got me into searching K-pop, and that got me into Girls' Generation, Super Junior, and Shiny, since I love anime. And Boa had covered some songs on anime, and since Boa is so popular on Japan, I thought she was Japanese, but she was a Korean artist. And here we have the Girls' Generation Asian tour, their first Asian tour. And it has their live vocals on the other side and a video on the other side, if I remember correctly. Like I haven't really played these CDs again because I didn't have my CD player anymore. That's why I'm not collecting any CDs or anything like that for now. And here we have a Beast album. It is their volume 1, their first mini album. And I do like a lot of Beast songs as well. And this one is a just pretty simple album. And here we have an FX album. Like FX is really a nice group. Like I felt like they did not really get a lot as much love as they should have. And remember like this kind of CD cases like you could pull out and there would be a booklet like for more photos, images of the K-pop artists. Like this is so much fun as well. The only thing with this kind of CD case sometimes like it can it will not hold a very long time. Like this one I have some anime albums as well. This one is from Gravity and here's the CD artwork and the artist. And here we have Sakura Wars. Like these two, their openings, like they're very nostalgic anime songs. That's why I have kept these two with me, the one that really. And we have here the Sistar. Like this one is really big. Like we're going on the bigger side of the albums. Like it's hard to really flip through. But the artwork for the CD is the artwork of the group. And here we have a mini booklet and a big size booklet for this one. So it is really cool to see a bigger booklet and a smaller side. Like I would not do a full flip through since there's a lot to show. And here I have the IU album. Like this one is also big, but it's okay. It's not too big, but it's a very also unique album. Like it will have LP inside, but no, it's a regular CD. And here's some images of IU and the booklet inside. Like I'll just slide it and I'll just flip a bit through. Like I really like this album as well a lot. Like this one has been played a lot as well when I had my CD player. And here's my biggest album, the Super Junior album. And if I remember correctly, this is Mr. Simple album. And like for this one, you get to choose all kinds of front artwork. The CD actually I have put inside with a sleeve already. Since I have played this one a lot as well, the foam on the CD, it's hard to remove. So I just put it on the sleeve for CDs. And here there's some like bigger postcards. Like you would thought there would be also an LP for this one for sure, but no, it's just a regular CD. And what you see on these bigger postcards or like yeah, I'll just call it a big postcards. Like that's also some images that you could choose on what front cover you would see on your album. Like I really wanted to collect all of these at first, but they were expensive, so I just have to choose one. And thankfully, I didn't know before like what comes inside the album. And thankfully, those images on the front cover, they do have it on this one. And this one doesn't have a booklet or anything. It's just have these bigger postcards. And also, thank you for watching, everyone. See you again and follow for more.